cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What's up, homies? Today we're going to decorate some white chocolate. I'm going to show you how to color it with gel food coloring. I'm going to show you how to make a few drizzles and how to make a marble effect. So keep on watching so you can learn how to make this. So to start, you'll need some white chocolate chips. Melt them in 30-second intervals. And then you'll need some coconut oil in order to liquefy the white chocolate if it doesn't melt completely in the microwave. And the type of food coloring has to be gel food coloring or powdered. Do not use liquid food coloring in this recipe. Gel food coloring or powdered food coloring. So we've already dried our strawberries after rinsing them. Make sure that they're completely dry. So what I did is I divided the white chocolate mixture into two smaller containers. One I will mix blue and the other one I will mix it pink. The pink comes from red food coloring and the light blue comes from blue food coloring. So what I did is I just mixed these two and then I'm going to put them in my hacked plastic bag so that they could be used as drizzle. That's why it was divided, because I want some blue and pink to be used as a drizzle, but the strawberries will be dipped into white chocolate. So off camera, I added some red food coloring, gel food coloring to the white chocolate, and we came up with pink. Pretty much the same thing we did with the blue, except this time we're making pink. So we'll have a pink drizzle and a blue drizzle. We'll put both into a plastic bag. If you have a piping bag, it's even better than this little ghetto thing I came up with, honey. But yeah, it's gonna help us to drizzle over the chocolate and make some decoration. So we'll just keep stirring it, and we add a little coconut oil. Keep stirring it until the chocolate is liquefied, and when you lift it up off the spoon, it's coming down in drizzles. That way we know it will drizzle out of the bag quite easily and cover the chocolate well and make the drizzles that we're trying to make. So you see here, I'm sprinkling some sprinkles over the chocolate. Whatever type of sprinkle that you're going to put on the chocolate, is best to do it while it's still wet. I'm just putting it on the front because that's the part that will be seen. So again, make sure that you sprinkle it on there while the chocolate is still wet. So now it's time to use the drizzle that I had in the plastic bag. We're going to squeeze some out and just drizzle it across the top and just go back and forth, and then just drizzle it. And then we might take like a little toothpick and make some design in it. You just drag it down. As you can see, I'm dragging it down. Trying not to dig too deep into the chocolate, just sliding it across, and it'll make a cute little design. Then we'll just sit that down to the side and we'll make a couple more. Just watch. Now we're going to make the marble effect by drizzling the colored chocolate across the white chocolate, just across the top. We'll drizzle the blue first, and then in the opposite direction, we'll drizzle the pink. This is how you make the marble effect. Some people drizzle direct food coloring. I don't advise that. I advise coloring the chocolate first and then drizzle that across the top. Now watch how I dip the strawberry inside and turn it a little bit so that we can get a marble effect. You dip it inside and turn it so that it can pick up all those different colors, and then you have those colors meshed together, and that will give you the marble effect. It's really cute and quite simple if you follow it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, I appreciate it if you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I decided that I'm going to upload twice a week. One day it will be regular food that I love to cook, and another day it will be treats, chocolate covered treats. I know some people say as soon as you start the video, go ahead and hit that like button, and it's like, honey, I ain't even seen the video yet and you want me to like it? But anyway, I think we're at the end. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, make some comments. I'm all for constructive advice. And thank you for watching. Peace. I'm sorry, but the battery went dead before I had a chance to show you how to do the gold, but I'll be sure to do that on the next video. Thank you.